Well, hello everybody. So today we were going to work on the big black Dodge, but I went to my mom's for Thanksgiving, met my family there, and I couldn't figure out what was going on with my truck. All the wind noise. So it looks like the bracket is broke away from the door. So now we're going to take the door off and weld it up and reinforce it. It's just that old truck life, you know. Especially an old first gen Cummins dually, all that rattling and stuff. Anyway, we're going to reinforce it, see what we can do, and go from there. Got that beat back in. So now we got to weld this back in. But yep. The truck identifies as a Dodge Jeep now. Anyway, you just unplug all these wires and you can pull the door off. I pulled the whole dash out trying to get it out. But anyway, this has got to be welded back in because this is what adjusts the door.
This setting right here.
You reckon?
Yeah.
What setting is that?
It's auto set.